The status bar holds information about your drawing and allows you to navigate the app and its different menus. Starting from the top left, there's the Return to Gallery button. Next to that is the drawing name, which you can edit with a single tap. This is the Actions bar, where we have the menu toggles for precision, layers, and objects. Moving to the right, there's the current zoom level and rotation value. A single tap on one of these opens the Measurements pop-up. We made a separate video about this one, so make sure to check that out for more details. You can tap and hold directly on the value to make changes, or reset to the default with a double tap. The Pro button opens the store, where you can find multiple ways to make the most out of concepts. Next, we have the Import and Export menus, and Settings. Finally, the Help button, where you can access support and find links to our online manual, latest stories, video tutorials, many frequently asked questions, and more.